दिल्ली माउड़ा रे गुलाल गुलाबी रंग केसरिया.
So first come question number 1. 11.2 question number 1. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter from point 10 centimeter away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. So this is a chapter construction. Look at this, the circle and the line. The three chances are there. Either the line will not cut the circle, so that is not useful for study. So I have written 0 point cutting, crossing. Either it will cut only 1 point, means not cut at that time, only touch. And it happens when any tires moves. This type of figure is given in your book. What is tangent? Page number 208, figure number 10.4. Tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius, theorem 10.1, through the point of contact. Okay, so this is what I have made here. This is called point of contact. Only one point, it touch only. This is the radius. So this radius and point of contact tangent becomes 90 degree. This is theorem 10.1. We are in chapter 11.2, but the theorem 10.1 will be applied. And obviously this is 2 points crossing. Lines will cut 2 points, maximum 2 points. So this is sometimes called chord in the segment form. End point are given, and then second line like this. It is given in your chapter number 10. Second and chord. In class 9th, this is class 9th. In class 9th, this was theorem 10.8, page number 180 in class 9th. This is what? This was the theorem. This is 180 degree and this is 90 degree. Theorem 10.8 in class 9th. In the short we will take it. In semicircles, all the angles made at any point of on the circle is a right angle triangle. Make a right angle triangle. Yes. Or angles of right angle angles of semicircles becomes right angle. This is also theorem. And in class same 9th, cyclic quadrilateral. This is theorem. The earlier is theorem 10.8. Theorem 10.8, class 9th. Theorem 10.8, class 9th. Theorem 10.8, page number 180. And that is cyclic quadrilateral in class 9th. Theorem 10.11 and 12. This is theorem 10.11 and 12 in class 9th again. What is cyclic quadrilateral? The cyclic quadrilateral, this is a quadrilateral, circumscribed by a circle. So this is called cyclic quadrilateral, and the condition is angles, the opposite angle, sum of the opposite angles is 180 degree. So this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, 180 degree. This may be, if this is the kite, type of a kite. In the kite, if this angle 90, 90, 180 and this will be equal to this one, adjacent sides are equal, and when you join this one, so this will be divided. So this will be used in question number 11.2, in question number 4, this will be used. Okay, so cyclic quadrilateral, and this is this theorem. And perpendicular bisector. What is perpendicular bisectors? Means collection of all the points equidistant from two given point. Equidistant from two given fixed points. So this, all the three things will be used. One, so this is what is tangent. This will be used and this will be used in construction 11.2. So come on, question number 1. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. So draw a circle in your copy. Radius 6 centimeter. So take, this is the compass. I take radius 6 centimeter from the scale. This is 6 centimeter. This radius 6 centimeter. From a point 10 centimeter away from its center, construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their length. Okay, so this is 6 centimeter. So a point 10 centimeter away from the center. So this point may be here, 10 centimeter again, a circles may be, and these circles at any point you can take. But let me take a simple point. Means 10 centimeter maybe here, everywhere. But I take as 10 centimeter in this direction, 6 and 4 here, 10 centimeter. Make a line. This is the point. From here we have to make pair of tangent. Pair of tangent. Here you will see this photo. Pair of tangent. Pair of tangent means this will be equal to this. So how is made? The theorem 10.1 is there. The theorem 10.1 is there. Tangent becomes perpendicular to the radius. So this is theorem 10.1. And theorem 10.2, the two tangents becomes equal. This is the theorem of 10.2. Theorem 10.2, the two tangents are equal. Tangents equal. And only two tangents are possible. Tangents are equal. So this is the theorem 10.2, 1 and 2. Class 9th, this theorem will be used, but we will not write anything about here, and this will be used. So theorem 10.1, 10.2 in class 10th, and this for the class 9th. So this is the 6 centimeter, this is extra 4 centimeter. 4 means, yes, this is the 4, this is the 6. So here, one this possible and this one possible. But how will you make? And the theorem 10.1, this is the perpendicular. So how do we know this point and this point should be 90 degree? If we take this point, so this is not 90 degree. If we take this point, so this is not 90 degree. So out of this to this, only one point is there which will be 90 degree to this one, because this is the radius and this is the tangent. So where is that point? How will you find? This here and this here also, again you will have a point such that when you will make it, this is 90 degree. But how do you know? So for this we will use this theorem of class 9th. In the class 9th, this is the fixed, this is the 90 degree. So we will make, this is the circle, we make another circle, and that will be the diameter, and the circles will cut it here. You will see Means actually this is the given circle, we will make another circle. Make another circle how? This is given in your book, page number 221, figure 11.5. Figure 11.5. So what will you do? You have to make a circle passing through these 2 points. So get midpoint of this one. So that will be the center, and then make a circle. So midpoint means perpendicular bisector. How will you find the midpoint? Actually this is the 6 and this was the 10, whole 10. So you can have a 5, but you should to measure it, you should to find it. So find more than, take any more than half. More than half distance. More than half. So this is the midpoint, and you can see it is coming in the circle, because the radius was 6 and this was the 4, so this is the 5. So this is the midpoint. After that, it's not always, means this is the midpoint always in the circle. If this was 6 and 6, so it will be on this point. If this is 6 and this is 4, so it is in. If this is 6 and this is 8, so that point will be outside from the circle. So midpoint, okay. And from there you will make a circle passing through these 2 points. Yes. Actually you will getting 2 half semicircles. 1 point here, this is the semicircle, and this is the point you are getting cutting here, semicircle. And the semicircle, for this second circle, if you join this point, the theorem, this will be 90 degree, and this will be radius, so that will be the tangent. But the two things are possible now. So this one, and so make the whole circle, the whole circle. You will have 2 crossing point, this and this, and this is your external point P, 10 centimeter. This is the center O, and this you point M or B, MN, or you may say AB also. And when you will join, you will see this is the 90 degree. When you will join it, this. Join this. This one. This was the given circle. This was given circle. Radius R is equal to 6 centimeter. And the circle I have made so that this may be semicircle, this one or this one. So this is 90 degree. This you join only, and then you will measure. This will be 90 degree, because this is the semicircle now, PMO. This is the semicircle, and this is the angle of semicircle is 90 degree. Class 9th, theorem 10.8. So this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. The 2 tangents are there. You can extend it also. Sometimes it required to extend, but the actual tangent is PM. The length of the tangent is PM. So this was the construction. This is the figure. You have to construct. So steps of construction, right? Steps of constructions. steps of construction. The first point, make a circle, this one, center O and R radius is equal to 6 centimeter. Second number point, take a point P 10 centimeter away from the center. Take point P such that OP means from the center to the distance, such that OP is equal to 10 centimeter. The third point, get perpendicular bisector of PO and then make a circle. Get midpoint of PO, midpoint this you may say PO, so PQ, midpoint M, okay, any points you may have, O, so PQ, Q. So get midpoint Q, you write perpendicular bisector. Then fourth point, draw a circle at center Q passing through P and O. Get circle center O, center Q passing through, or otherwise radius, you can say radius PQ, radius R is equal to PQ. So you will get 2 points M and N. We get 2 points M and N. Join PM and PN. Join PM and PN. PM and just right here, join PM and PN. And these are the required tangent. These are the required tangent. Just right here. These are the required tangent. Measure the length of the tangent. If this is 6, this is 10, 10 is the hypotenuse. So tangent, suppose tangent length is T. So measure and then find, calculate also. So this is the right angle triangle. So here calculate, na? Calculate. And then you measure, check, verify. T square plus 6k square is equal to 10 square. Means T is equal to 100 minus 36. 100 minus 36 means 64 and 64 8. T is equal to 8. Check, tangent is 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. It would be 8 centimeter. So measure and then calculate also and then write. Then construction done. So this was very basic question. So thanks for watching. Keep watching.